G'day and welcome back to Unimig. Today I'm going to give you 6 tips and tricks to improve your TIG welding. So enough chatter, let's get stuck in. Number 1 is TIG gloves. There's a few types of welding gloves on the market, but investing in a good pair of TIG gloves if you're TIG welding is a good idea. Since they aren't as bulky as MIG welding gloves, you have better feel of the torch and especially the TIG rod when you're feeding it, making it for a steadier feed without the rod bouncing around. Number 2 is perfecting the arc. Getting the arc right is one of the most important things when TIG welding. The distance is crucial. Keeping the tungsten roughly 3mm from the whirlpool will provide a focused arc as well as enough room to dip the rod and minimise the risk of dipping your tungsten into the whirlpool. Any closer than that and you can lose sight of what you're doing, dip your tungsten and even lose the focus of the arc. Your travel angle should also be 10 degrees from vertical. This will provide a greater vision of the whirlpool. Our third tip is shielding your filler rod tip. While you don't want your filler rod tipped so close to the arc that it's melting uncontrollably, keeping it under the gas is recommended. Having the gas cover the tip of your filler rod will assist in keeping it contaminant free. Number 4 is to swap out your consumables. If you're swapping between metals, it's not a bad idea to swap the consumables on your torch as well. Even though TIG welding doesn't spark or leave spatter, the consumables on your torch will still have remnants of whatever has just been welded. These little bits could potentially contaminate your next weld, so having a dedicated set of consumables gives you that extra bit of protection for your next weld. This can be especially helpful for stainless steel and aluminium, as they're incredibly touchy metals when it comes to cleanliness. Our fifth tip is to reduce your arc slowly. When you come to the end of the weld, don't just release the pedal or leave your finish amps as high as your peak amps. Remember to ease off slowly with a few seconds of post flow. This will assist in minimising pinholes and craters. Also keep in mind that your weld is hot, so suddenly cutting off the heat can cause problems. Our sixth and last tip is gas lenses. Gas lenses make a world of difference when it comes to gas coverage of a molten whirlpool. They distribute gas more evenly and allow you to stick your tungsten out further without any issue. Here at Unimig, we use gas lenses and clear quartz cups when we TIG weld stainless steels, mild steel and aluminium. Thanks for watching our video on 6 tips and tricks to improve your TIG welding. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and we'll see you next time.